Next up, reusable bags. We all know about these, right? They're the cotton ones, they're the reusable ones, they stop the plastic bags. Well, there's a new one on the street, folks. It's called Lotus Trolley Bags. And these guys are ultra sustainable. You put your groceries in here, they open up like an accordion, like this. You got ones where you can put all your groceries in here, like your dairies and your milk. These bad boys will keep them fresh, they'll keep them sustainable, and they're super easy. They fit in your cart just like this. I'm giving a really bad job of how they fit in a cart, but they're like that. They're super sustainable. They eliminate those single-use plastics. Check them out, Lotus Trolley Bags. And guess what? Sustainability, it's going everywhere, and it's growing. Did you know that the U.S. sustainability market is expected to reach $150 billion by 2021? That's right, $150 billion by 2021. That's amazing. You guys are hopping on. Lots of questions. Hey, dude, what's up, Rye Guy? Shout out. All right, so that's how you can be sustainable at home. It's inexpensive. It saves you money. Now, I want to know, how are you guys sustainable at home? Anyone? Anyone? Let's see. Hello, Lotus Trolley Bag. May you join. Greetings.
Hey!
How are you guys doing?
Good. How are you? We like that dance break.
Oh yeah, there'll be another one later too. Just stay tuned. Trying to make sustainability as fun as possible. All right, my guys, I have a question for you. You guys are Lotus Trolley Bag. You guys have these awesome bags. How did you think of it, and how is it sustainable?
We got so frustrated with all the plastic bags that we were accumulating in our house, plus all the cheap reusable bags, because those just grow mold and mildew in the bottom, and then you have to throw those out, and they end up in the landfill. So we thought there had to be a better way, and let's come up with a system that is durable and reusable hundreds of times and actually makes your life easier in the grocery store. So that's when we came up with the Lotus Trolley Bag.
And this is how they look over here. So when they're in the cart, they just spread right out, all 4 bags, and makes it easy and fast and organized, and it just completely changes the way you shop. So it's been a blessing, and it's been pretty awesome to see all the reviews and people just changing the way they shop.
Very cool. And how many plastic bags do you guys have like eliminated by using these?
So they say the average family uses over 1,500 plastic bags a year. Imagine.
And that doesn't even include those little produce bags in the produce section. That's like the checkout plastic bags.
So, you know, we say that together in the last 4 years with our Lotus Trolley Bags and our reusable produce bags, we've helped eliminate over 400 million produce bags. There you go, 400 million single-use plastic bags. So
400 million.
About that, yeah.
Hey, good job, guys. I am very proud of you. You guys are amazing. How old is Lotus Trolley Bag?
It's almost 4 years now.
So in 4 short years, you've saved over 400 million plastic bags.
That's right. Yeah, every family makes a big difference.
That is amazing. And thank you so much for coming on the show. I really appreciate it. You guys are killing it. Not literally, because you actually saved the planet. But keep it up. You guys have anything else to say before we go?
No.
They make awesome, thoughtful Christmas and holiday gifts and stocking stuffers.
Little stocking stuffers.
Yes.
These 3 packs, you can get them locally at Lazy Acres or Ralph's. They're only $5.99, and they make great little gifts to promote sustainability.
And we are 1% for the Planet members, so we do donate back a percentage of our sales to good. Regenerative agriculture is actually one of our charities this year, as you mentioned before.
Very, very important. We could do a whole episode on regenerative agriculture. So keep it up, guys. Thank you so much, and stay sustainable.
Yeah. Thanks.
All right. Take it easy, Lotus Trolley Bag. All right, those are my friends over at Lotus Trolley Bag. Check them out online, Lazy Acres, wherever you want to go. They are doing great things on this planet, and they can help you become sustainable one small step at a time. One small step for mankind, one huge step, or one small step for humankind, one huge step for our planet.